short welcome address by the president of IWA Association in Austria, Vienna, Mrs. Nneka Azikiwe. Lolo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Good evening, all. It's my amiable pleasure this wonderful evening to delightfully welcome Her Excellency Mrs. Vivian Okeke, the Ambassador, Federal Republic of Nigeria to Austria and Republic of Slovakia, and permanent representative to international organizations in Vienna. You are welcome. Chief Simon Okeke Ochendowan, his deputy is not yet here, the husband to Her Excellency. The National Association of Nigeria Community in Austria, Magister Tajunde Bello. I will not forget diplomatic corps, all protocol officers observed, leaders of ethnic groups and communities, special ladies and gentlemen. With a gladsome heart, I welcome you all. I thank you all for honoring this wonderful and awesome occasion. I am Mrs. Nneka Azikiwe, the President, Igbo Women Association of Austria. IWA was founded in the year 1995, so we are 23 years old. It is not easy. Like sisters, we keep on moving forward. Our objectives are to protect the individual interest, sharing sisterhood love amongst members. We also preserve the culture and tradition of Igbo land, especially to initiate this into our children. We also assist from time to time to the activities of the charitable organizations in Nigeria. Previously, we donated to the Motherless Babies Home in Nigeria. And in the near future, we have the intentions to continue to do more. Today, we are celebrating our summer party, shaking off winter stress and sickness. We have delicious Igbo dishes here and other different kind of food. The food are free or anyway. We also chilled drinks to get them down your throat. So please feel free to do anything you want to do here. We have super security. So we have fantastic tombola. For those of you that are planning to travel to Nigeria, free ticket to Nigeria. So get your tickets now. And finally, the children, our children are going to perform their activity, the Igbo news. So please do listen and understand them very well. And all this, I'm saying welcome to this great occasion. Thank you very much and enjoy your stay here.
This one, I don't even need to say clap. Other black one already. That means she spoke very well. A short keynote of address by the Ambassador, Permanent Representative of Nigeria to Austria, Her Excellency Mrs. Vivian Okeke. Another applause, please.
The President of the Igbo Women Association, Mrs. Nneka Azikiwe, and they are supported by his able husband, Chief Azikiwe, the President of Igbo Cultural Society, Chief Aguze, Ochiaga, Captain Obani. Yeah, welcome. The Swedish chiefs on the high table and able ladies on the high table, good evening. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, good evening. It gives me great pleasure to be here in your midst this evening to support the annual get-together of the Igbo Women Association of Austria. I must commend you for being 23 years old. You have started since 1995, and this, I understand, is an annual event. It is an event that has been able to bring different groups of people from different parts of Nigeria together in love and friendliness to share food and to enjoy the culture, music and dance of Nigeria. I want to commend you for the fact that you started this since 1995 and it has continued annually every year. I do recall that the members of the Igbo Women Association, when they came to the embassy to make their acquaintance to me and to welcome me to Vienna, they informed me about this program, and that was a couple of months ago. And I said to myself, I must make sure that I'm here to be part of the event. So I want to commend you and also commend those who made out their time to be here to witness this event. This is a great event in the sense that our children who are here are being brought to know the culture of the country where their parents are from. It helps to create the awareness of the rich culture of the Igbo people and of Nigeria. I have always advocated the fact that even though you are here, this is your adopted country, you should not forget the country where you come from, Nigeria. And so, the opportunity that you have here, where you are engaged in different sectors, some of you are medical personnel, some of you are engineers, some of you are educationists. There are things that you will get from here that you could help to bring back to Nigeria to help for the development of Nigeria. So I enjoin you to please be mindful of this while you go about your daily activities. I have listened to the projects that the Igbo Women Association have back home together every year like this. A slide of the program of the activities that they have done back home will be shown to us, and maybe some of your friends, your Austrian friends, may want to key into that project. We have needs in building of school blocks, renovation of schools for the children back home. We have needs for equipping of hospitals to bring it up to the level that you see here. We have needs for building of houses for those who are so poor that they don't live in the kind of quality of houses we live here. So it will be very important that as we dance, enjoy ourselves, eat good food, we also are mindful of those of us that are in Nigeria. How do we take back what we have learned here, what our resources back to them to improve their lives? So what I want all of you to bear in mind is that you should think along those lines. Igbo Women Association, I commend you for your work, and I want to urge you to continue in the good steps that you have taken over these years. And lastly, I want to also thank the Igbo Women Association for the support that they have given to the embassy, especially to me. That last week we had an activity, the Nigerian Austria Business Forum, and the Igbo Women Association were able to mobilize the youth, the young children, to perform at the gala night. even without my prompting. I want to thank you for that solidarity, that you are able to support me in the work that I do. May God continue to bless all of you and reward you. I want to also let you know that we at the embassy, myself, I'm here with my colleague, Mrs. Mogwe Ibrahim. She just arrived in the mission, and she is the minister. And other colleagues of mine, some of them are sitting in the audience. We are here for you. Our doors are open. My doors are open. If we don't know, we will not know what we are doing wrong. So please feel free and know that the Embassy of Nigeria, we are here for you. And I wish you a very enjoyable evening. Thank you.
Thank you, ma, for that very wonderful speech. Mr. and Mrs. Sam Nzegu to the high table.